Morning guys! Ngayon pupunta kami ni Mao sa grocery. Titignan muna namin kung ano mabili namin sa grocery. And sama kayo. Okay. We're going into the tunnel, right? How long is the tunnel?
Oh, it's just short.
Sure. Okay. The city now. What city is this now?
This one is Moss.
Moss?
Center.
Moss Center.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's where you're supposed to work out.
What is
Evo.
this? What is?
Evo?
Oh, dito yung gym?
Training. Yeah.
Oh, dito.
Tapos bababa ka supposedly dyan. Kasi bus stop dyan.
So, yung bus na galing dun sa lugar ninyo, dito dumadaan.
Dito ka bababa. And then you're just gonna walk dun sa gym.
Ah, okay.
Supposedly.
Yung red na yon na bus. Okay.
Dyan yung stop.
Anong pangalan ng gym? Evo?
Evo.
Oh, okay.
Tapos meron pang isang gym doon sa likod. Pero parang mga matanda yata yung nag-gym.
So dito na naman tayo sa Asian store, ano?
Oh, pero
I remember this place. Doon ka mag-park.
Doon ako sa mall mag-park kasi dito may bayan ko.
Here?
Yes. Doon ako sa mall.
Grabe ang parking nyo dito, no?
Tingnan mo nga, ang sikip.
No, I mean, ang mahal ng parking fees.
Oo. So imagine.
I mean, even though na supposedly this is public parking for the mall or for the grocery area, you still have to pay.
Meron din naman na walang bayan. Pero dito meron. Kasi nasa sentro. And then may mga doctor's clinic doon. Ganun talaga eh. So lagi ako magpapark sa mall. Free yung 2 hours.
Right.
Eh sandali ka lang naman mamimili dyan sa Asian store.
Right. Oh, this is the mall now?
Yeah, sa parking.
What mall is this?
Yung most, anong tawag dyan? Hindi ko na alam.
So definitely, dito rin sila nagpa-park. Yung mga nag-grocery or magpa-pharmacy lang.
Oo. Or doon sa harap din pwede.
So this is the Vietnamese restaurant that we used to go to. The Chile, it's called Chile. And we're going to Asian grocery here. I think it's a Vietnamese grocery shop.
Kailangan daw ng spoon. Kasi may yung staff.
Now what? Spoon? Ay?
Ha? Gusto mo kumain?
Yeah.
Sumakit yung dito.
Well, kompleto naman eh. What can you expect from a Vietnamese grocery? Everything is here. All Asian food.
Kalamansi.
Ice cream.
Sulat dito?
Hindi ah.
Hindi. Hindi kalamansi also.
Anong brand ito? Norwegian brand tong ice cream?
No, Italian.
Italian.
Ano, Italian. Kung mabasa ko.
Sriracha guys. Marami silang paninda dito. Kompleto rin eh. May banana ketchup. May Mang Tomas. UFC banana ketchup. Mamacitas. Look at these guys. They have mamacitas, all those ingredients. Actually, malaki rin yung store nila. Apples, onions, tomato. So, dami na yung fresh produce dito. What is this, guys? They have mangoes, they have pineapple, they have avocado. Okay, labas muna tayo. Masikip. So marami silang mga dim sum. I think I like this one, dim sum. May siopaw rin. Dumplings. Dried fish. Juices. Coconut water, mango. The bowls are here. In this area. I like this one. Red pepper, yellow onions. They have mushrooms too. Shiitake mushroom. There's some selection nila dito, kompleto. Look. We have this hot and spicy oriental noodles. Sweet pot. There. And here. Meron silang pancit canton. See? They have pancit canton. Hot and spicy. So, kung pupunta kayo dito guys sa Norway, walang problema ang Asian food kung nami-miss mo yung Asian food. Oh. Mochi. Mochi. Dami. Peanuts. Mga peanuts, cashew, almonds. This is Korean food. I always see this on some of those vloggers. This yupuyuk. I wanna try this. What is this? Sweet and spicy. Yeah. Rice cakes. Oh, kimchi.
Ganyan?
This one? Ibang brand. Let's try, huh? Do we have, meron ba yung nagbibenta dito na yung nasa bote ng kimchi mismo? Yung...
Sure kung meron sila. Doon yata sa may ref sa loob.
Wala ata. Ito kimchi. Let's try this. Let's try this kimchi. Kimchi tatlo.
Dadhin mo kaya?
Ha?
Hindi ka ba maglalagay na lang ganyan?
Saan?
Doon lalagay na lang ng water pag bigla ka nagtutumaan ng isa. Emergency.
We're ready to pay. Hello. Okay, and all these vegetable all goes to the cashiers. So, nandito na naman kami sa Tansen. Tansen. Anong shop to? Anong group? Ano ba to? No, anong shop ito? Like, electronics?
Parang parang Ace Hardware, pero may mga sports din.
Okay. Okay, so we're going to look for bicycle for easy. I think I saw something there, that white there. Oh, tignan mo yung phone mo, nag-text message na ata. Oo.
Ayun, no, yung 399.
Ito ba sabi niya?
Oo.
I think so too. Yeah.
Itong white. Okay.
Hindi ba ito mabigat para sa kanya?
Laki-laki, babe. 15 centimeters.
Ah,
Then, wala daw, naka-demontere daw yon nandun sa loob. So, tinitingnan niya kung meron ako matry dito sa labas na nakalabas. Walang ganong size.
pang saddle.
Ay, hindi na kami makabili. Okay.
Ito.
Wala na kuya.
Oh, bakit? Okay. Lipat tayo kay Julia Barreto na shop. Ito parang Ace shop ito. Ace Hardware. Ang Julia. Bibili lang ako ng ng Yula. Yula Valdez,
Oh.
ni Julia Barreto. Yeah, okay. Ng Universal Outlet. First time for hiking for me in my life. So, check natin yun. And guess where should I go there? Actually, parang puro appliances, mga hardware. Ang items sila dito eh. Check natin kung meron silang mga electronic gadgets here. Wala. Mga garden area, ang garden set ito eh. No, they don't have it here. No, they don't have it. No, they don't have it here. Labas na muna tayo. You have, let me see.
Ah?
Are these for Eman? Okay. Yeah, this is nice. Si Martina.
Delicious ang mga pink. Before. Ito ang pang-adult. Oh. Actually, this shirt is nice. The shorts. Masyadong pang beach. Kasi ito. No. Mahilig sila dito sa mga linen, which is nice. Maganda. Expensive kasi yung dating ng linen eh. Although gusutin, mahirap planchahin. Kaya, yun lang ang downfall dyan. Yan na, linen. Tapos saka rubber shoes ka lang. Saka na lang tayo bibili pag medyo matagal pa naman ako dito, so tingin-tingin lang muna tayo. And then marami pa naman ibang shops, at least may mapagpilian which one. Yeah, Because ang hirap din.
sometimes fashion comes first.
Sometimes for me, it's not really accurate.
Itong Voice of Europe, medyo okay rin to.
Okay na dito din.
Yeah,
Linen po.
these are linens na. Ito.
Yeah.
Ay, meron ako nito. Meron ako nito.
Parang gusto ko navy blue something eh. Yeah. Hello. I think I like that kind of zebra type na shorts. Ang problem is malalaki ang sizes. Alright. Ito mga, cute nito. Pang ano, pang beach.
Marami ako pang beach doon. May white ako na ganyan na.
Maganda yung shoes nila, mama. Mukhang malambot. Parang hoka. Magaan. Ang ganda actually. Pambabae ba to? Tara. Para siyang hoka ang style ng shoes. Let's go ah. Masyadong puro babae dito. Saan? Ah, hindi ko type. This is a nice one because they have a play area for kids. If you brought along your kids with you, they can play around here. Yeah. Jean Paul.
Sean
Ah, Jean Paul.
It's French.
Etong Jernia, what shop?
Tumingin ka dyan. Tapos
Anong
tama
shop
mo,
yan?
ganun. Dito mo na yan ilagay. Sabihin mo, international brand.
Let's see this one here. Okay, let's check this shop if they have those universal outlet for my computer. I don't think so. This is a kitchen home furnishing. No, this is not the one. No, they don't have it here. No, wala sila. Puro home furnishing yan.
May gusto mo, Norwegian ano? Strawberries.
Strawberries.
You like?
Sweet ba ang strawberry nila dito? Strawberry? Malinis na ba to? Kainin natin sa car. Walang takip?
Laman may dalawa pa natin sa dalawa sa bakit.
Ito, juice no? Banana mango juice? Masarap kaya to? orchids. Yung maliit lang. Ay, wala silang maliit. Wait, hot shot. Ano to? What do you mean by this? Smoothie ito? Hindi ito smoothie. Ah, ito. Try natin tong guava dragon fruit. Guava dragon fruit.
May pineapple, mint yung ananas, pineapple, mint, pineapple, ginger.
Banana,
Pineapple, ginger.
banana ginger.
No, pineapple. Pineapple ang ananas.
Ananas, pineapple.
Oo, ito mango passion fruit.
Okay. Ito na lang.
Yeah.
Isa lang. I-try lang natin.
So, we're looking for olive oil. Pero tayo sa supermarket, ngayon hindi. Meron ako.
So, what strawberry are these that you took? Netherlands? Okay.
Ang liliit tong mga
Oh yeah. So they have seafood. Yeah. Salmon. Yes. Ito, meron na sila palang cooked food, oh.
gugutan ka lang.
Do you want this chicken? Pick a food.
Gusto mo kumain ng ito? Pwede man.
Yeah,
Gusto mo?
yeah.
Okay. Chicken wings.
Yeah, yan lang. Chicken wings lang.
Tingin? Yeah, ba? Ay, si Martin.
Yeah. Kumbaga parang ano ina eh. Yeah. Burgers. Are those spicy ones?
No.
Ah. They have salad.
Gusto mo?
No.
Sana.
I'm good, thank you. Pizza? Ano to pizza?
Lasagna. Ay, nakalagay.
Oh my God,
Tingnan mo
lasagna.
pasta salad with salmon.
Oh, pasta salad with salmon.
Ay, tapos yung broccoli.
Broccoli.
Tapos Greek salad.
Actually, parang masarap.
Greek?
Itong broccoli.
Gusto mo? Yeah. Ayun, hanggang na kain.
Ito pang ano, pita.
Angus na beef.
Yeah.
Angus.
Are these cooked already, Mao? Hindi pa.
Marinade.
Ah, okay.
Gusto mo pa no, ng broccoli salad?
Masasarap naman ang lasa. Okay na yan ang chicken. Pero anong kakainin natin sa bahay mamaya pag uwi?
Pag napag-uwi,
Uy, cheese. Bibili tayo ng cheese, yung slice na cheese. At saka salami. Mao.
Oo. May
Sala-
salami na ako. Bumili ako kanina. Small salami. Pero pwede akong bumili na.
Yeah, extra. Ito ano to, na parang may ano. Roast beef, yes.
Tapos, para matry mo. Ito masarap din.
And then sa ano na ako magbibili ng ganito? Actually,
Grocery,
doon
pwede kang
naman.
bumili.
Doon na lang siguro ako bibili
Kaya
ah.
ako ganyan, no? Salami na small. Para
Nasa Stavanger na lang ako bibili kasi may grocery na malapit daw doon, sabi ni FM. Pero sa bagay, pwede rin ako bumili ng ganyan.
Yan, para may iba-iba lang sa mga.
Eggs. There's a lot of choices of cheese. Now, nakakalito na kasi ang packaging pa lang, tempting na. But this one looks nice. Looks delicious. This is Hawaiian pineapple almond cheese. And meron ka na nito? Blue cream? I'll get one.
Hello. Most important, wait for my ears na. Kasi na,
Let's try this one. Assorted flavors. Let's try this one.
okay. Okay, so tihan for ikinobot kami yan, isang long herb ko.
Yeah.
Nagre-reklamo ka, ayan, soft. You get it, soft.
Yeah. Kunin mo yung ganun.
Tingnan mo kung soft na to, enough for you.
No, actually no. Kayo yan. Mag-change kayo.
Ito, this one, oh. Can you... Soft.
What is this?
Kitchen paper.
Okay. Okay guys. I put my Osmo Pocket 3 sa grocery push cart kasi magnetic siya. So it's nice. So I don't need to hold it every time. Alright, are we ready? Alright. Okay. Hi.
Ay, stop mo na. It's okay.
Gusto ko i-try yung cheese na yun. Here.